Hi everyone, it's Michelle. I'm just going to show you quickly how to make the cut, fold and press method of making a fabric tab. Super quick, super easy. This is approximately the size you will need. This could be square or it could be slightly rectangular, 15 centimeters by 15 or 15 by 13 or 10 even, depending on how narrow you want them. So cut your squares out. I've ripped tons of fabric squares down like that. Then you need a nice steamy iron. What you're going to do is on the shorter end, you're going to tuck it in just a little. Press that flat. Tuck up the other side. Press that flat. Those are your two ends. And then fold your fabric down. This is why I was saying it doesn't have to be as wide. I've made mine very wide. Press that under to about halfway, and then the other side press up to about halfway. When you've done that, you fold the two so that they sit exactly on top of each other and press that down. You are now ready to sew it. And all you're going to do is, starting in the middle on one of the long ends, you start there and sew a rectangle all the way around the edges and then overlap the beginning and the end, and it's done. You then can put your two buttons on and you have a finished tab, fabric tab, ready to go out to one of our heroes. So there you go, quick tutorial on how to make the cut, fold, press and sew method instead of a tube method. See you all soon. Bye.